Introduction to Python, created by Jairam, Jamie, and Dunway. Hello hackers! Today we are introducing you to Python. Let's get started.
So Python is one of the most beginner-friendly programming languages in all of programming. Python has also gained traction as one of the most popular coding languages in use today. This is because there are many packages and libraries that can be installed quickly, usually in one line of code. Some packages include math, scikit-learn, Qiskit, Circ, TensorFlow, and many more. We will learn about these packages in some of the videos after this. Now, let's learn some of the history of Python.
Python was created and developed by Guido van Rossum. It was first released on February 20, 1921. The name Python comes from the British television series Monty's Python Flying Circus, which was very popular at that time. The version that was first released was Python 0.90. In 1994, the Python was released again with more features. Version was 1.0. In 2000, second version was released, but with the version 2.0. In 2008, the version 3.0 was released. Currently, an organization with the name of Python Software Foundation owns the Python programming language.
Here are some fun facts about Python. 1. Python is the most popular coding languages that's currently taught in primary schools. 2. Python does not require a compiler. 3. Python has a C language variant and a Java language variant. Also, Python is an official programming language used at Google. Python has many uses. For example, Qiskit is an open source software development kit used to program quantum computers. Qiskit supports Python, which means you can use Python to program quantum computers. We'll learn more about this in some of the future videos.
In the next video, we'll be learning about the basics of Python. So stay tuned. To access this code, go to replit.com/QuantED at QuantED Internet Introduction to Python QuantED. Thank you for watching. Feel free to like, subscribe, and comment below. Also, feel free to visit our website at quanted.webinar.com.
Here are the web sources for some of the facts and informations in this presentation. Thanks a lot.